Hi there, this is Dylan from OutdoorActivityShop.com. I'm down here at Huntington Beach, just about to open up our new POP Board Co. 11-foot Yacht Hopper. It's part of their new collection for 2022, and I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. So once you open it up, you see the paddleboard right here. It's an 11-foot inflatable paddleboard. So I've got some cool colors. It also comes with a carrying case. You can fit everything in just for easy access. It's got a pump, comes included in the package, as well as the leash, your fin, and it also comes with a paddle. So here's what it looks like before it's pumped up. I'll just hook it up, get it pumped up, and then I can show you guys. Okay, so we got it all pumped up now. It took about 5 minutes to set up. So yeah, the board's all set up. You can see on either side here, you got bungee cords to hold down some stuff if you want to bring on the ride. You got D-rings right here in case you want to set up a kayak seat while you're going. It's got a traction pad across the entire board. That way if you want to do yoga or anything like that, it's very easy for that. It's got a handle here if you want to carry it. It's pretty light. And it's about 11 foot, so I'm 6'3" as a height comparison, so it is a bigger board, but yeah, it looks nice. It's light and excited to go out and ride it. Okay, so now we're just about to put the fin in. All the POP fins are universal, so any inflatable, they'll use the same one. And so POP actually has a good tutorial of how to install these if you're at all confused. You can just check out the POP Board Co. YouTube channel, and they have a perfect description of how to install the fin. Okay, so the last step is just to put together the paddle. It's very easy. Okay, and this side is adjustable, so it's perfect for any height. And there you go. We're ready to ride. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you pack this thing up. So first, just take apart the paddle. Super easy. Then I'll move on, take out this fin. So now I'm going to flip it over and I'll just deflate it. So I'll just go over to here. You push it. So I'm just going to roll this up so that I can push all the air to that side and just get it fully deflated. Okay, so now I got it all rolled up and I'm just going to put it in the bag. Now I'm just going to put these paddles in here on the side. Perfect little holder. Strap this up to hold them in. I got the fin going in here along with the leash. And last but not least, I'll put the pump in here with them. They fit right in there. And there you go, you have the full case, the 11-foot Yacht Hopper. Make sure to look out for it in 2022. I think this one's going to sell out quick, and yeah, it's perfect. Again, if you want to check one of these out, just go to OutdoorActivityShop.com and we'll be happy to take care of you.